have break now?
No.
Oh,
Finish.
No, this is finish.
oh finish?
Yeah,
We're
no,
almost.
just two,
Oh, yeah.
two examples more,
Okay.
okay?
Oh, you mean if we have break?
You want to break?
No,
Don't
no,
worry.
it's okay.
No break.
I mean, if we have break, so only two more problem after break, so it's, I mean, you know.
Do you want the break? No.
Finish the problem.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. So now, laptop. The laptop.
Well,
Save as ELEG. Okay. Close this. Example should be two. This one, yes. Okay, example two. I will cover it later. Okay, design solar photovoltaic. See, design. If you need any values, you can assume. Okay, but assume with the limit of the practical work is not assume any numbers. As example, area for one solar cell, assume it 100 meters square. No, it's not correct. Okay, for one solar cell.
Oh, why?
100 what?
100 meters square?
but
One,
means-
one
Oh, yeah, so it's
panel.
Okay, well,
It's
small.
correct?
But
No,
yeah.
1 meter is okay.
Okay.
1.2 meter is okay, but 100 meter?
Limit 10 meter times 10 meter is too big for.
Yeah. Okay, so you can, because this is design, and you can solve any way you see is this practical solution, you can solve it by any way. Now, PV, design PV based on the following specifications: annual energy, 100,000 kilowatt hour. See, kilowatt hour. But your design in kilowatt hour, no megawatt hour, kilowatt hour. Okay, because the meters read the kilowatt hour, not megawatt hour. Okay, so use the provided values. This solar specifications. Residence 5.2 kilowatt hour per meter square per day. Solar panel power rating 400. Panel efficiency 18%. The panel area 1.8 meter square. Okay. Inverter efficiency 94%. Calculate the daily energy. Calculate the daily energy output per annual using the given parameters. Determine the number of the required size. Calculate the total surface required to install the system. If the temperature 15 degree, discuss the effect. This is very important. Okay. This is not solution. This is comment on the result. If the temperature increased by 15 degree, discuss the degree centigrade. Discuss the effect on the system performance using example from document on how temperature on your documents. Give me any example about MPPT. But
You
from,
talking
your,
about
from your lecture or from research. You submitted project, final project, right? You submitted final project or no? Did you? We say required final project paper related to the renewable energy. Okay? Should be includes this one. This one. Okay? Yeah, no problem. We can add more update. Okay? No problem.
How many pages for the?
3 pages, 4 pages.
Okay.
Papers, okay, you can upload the paper direct, it's fine, but I will ask you on the paper and the second or final exam, or maybe in both. I will ask you, discuss, as example, discuss the mathematical model of your project, or discuss the concept of your project, or discuss, okay, right, summary for your project. Okay, I will ask you about this one. If we have a lecture on Wednesday, November 27, we will discuss the papers on the class are not required for the exam. But if no, one question in the final or one requirement in the final exam about your project. So write 2 pages, 3 pages, 1 page is okay. Sometimes 1 page is better than 10 pages.
Okay.
1 page is fine, no problem. But summarize and conclude all the information in the paper in this page. Okay? 1 page is fine. 2
Oh, so-
pages is okay.
But
So-
this is extra point or just required?
No required. 10 is
I
great.
thought the extra points was.
No, why is
Wait, so this for the project, we have to write a paper? Or are you saying we have to find the paper and submit it?
See, go to go to Google or library school, okay, download paper IEEE or any journal, summarize the paper, okay, summarize the paper, go to the abstract, read what they or he did, what he said in the abstract. Go to the conclusion and see what he said, and go to the introduction, see the mathematical model, what the concept he discussed or they discussed, depending on the individual paper or maybe other authors, the main author. So, there be 1 or 2 pages maximum. No, 3 pages, okay. But summarize 10 or 12 pages in 1 page, or 2, 3 pages.
How are the questions? What are the questions?
Yes, maybe I will ask you write the mathematical models. You can bring the paper with you in the exam. Okay. Ask you about the mathematical model. You can write the questions. It's fine.
What did you mean with the number 5? What does that have to do with the project?
I will. So.
You added to the project in there?
explain, just explain this point. I will, so.
So it's not, for example, the paper, it has nothing to do with this, you want me to add this to that paper?
Your papers about what the topics for that one?
Like, we are really using different AI models, like machine learning, deep learning, for it is different and then comparison between them.
Okay, which renewable energy you use?
Solar cell.
Solar cell? Answer this question.
Oh, okay, I will take that.
Now, data given here. Okay, calculate the daily energy. Energy divided by 365. 10,000 kilowatt hour divided by 365 equal this one, this number, kilowatt hour per day. Then calculate the daily energy output per panel. Panel power rating, sunlight hours, panel efficiency, inverter efficiency. We say the sunlight hour 10, you can use 10 or any number. You are designer. You are designer. Okay, you can select any sunlight hour. Here 5.2 hours. 5.2 hours. This is fine, no problem. Maybe the city is just during the winter season is 5.2. Okay. Watt 400 watt for each panel times the efficiency times the inverter efficiency. This value of kilowatt hour per day. Now, number of panel required daily energy divided by the daily energy output, divide first number here, divide by this one, you can calculate the number of panels, 780 panels, okay? 780 panels. Calculate the total surface area. Number of the total panels is 780. Multiply by the area for each panel. So 1,404 meters area for all the panels. Okay, for all the installation area. Now, if the effect of temperature, if T increased, the voltage at MPPT will decrease. If T increased, temperature increased, the voltage at max power point MPPT will decrease. Okay. For example, an increase in temperature of 15 degrees. It was 27 or 30, and increased by 15 degrees. Now the new temperature 45. Okay, this slight drop in voltage at which panel operate most efficiently and thereby reducing the overall power output. So that because V at max power point reduced, so the max power point will be reduced. Why? this. P max, PP, and PP, and PPT equal V at MPPT times I MPPT. The temperature increased, so V MPPT will decrease. This decreased, so the power decrease. So the power max at first one, this one. So the power at second case, no, the second case would be decreased. The voltage B decreased, also P max decreased. The curve moved. The curve moved to this point. For example, the MPPT voltage may be around 30 volt, but increase to 40 degrees, so it could decrease to 27 volt. This is the temperature rises by 15 degrees. The solar panel output could decrease, require MPPT max power point tracking system, adjust a new optimal point. This is new optimal. It's a new optimal. New curve. This is new. Come. That's it. This example. Okay. I'll give any numbers. This is examples. Any number. Any question? Last example for today. Yes.
So the one-page summary, that one's for the project, right? Not the final.
One page, okay, 2 pages, 3 pages, any number. But I want active paper. Active paper means summarize the paper in 1 page, half page, it's fine.
Okay.
Depend on your, yeah, depend, in 1 line, it's fine. You can summarize the 1 paper in 1 line, it's fine.
So we already submitted.
Depends.
We resubmit if we already submit the paper then?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, okay.
Okay.
So wait, we pick a paper about renewable energy?
Any paper.
Any paper,
Or
and
about
that's right?
renewable energy sources.
Okay.
Also, I will upload lecture notes, but not required for review, about the another renewable energy sources. Just as review, no required to, because no calculations, no any mathematical model for geostatic and for the wave. Okay, wave renewable energy, and okay, I will upload maybe this weekend, but not required. It's not required.
That's what we-
Any exam.
Where we
For
upload the
review.
projects, have you already created it? Where we can upload the paper?
Yeah, I will. What?
The paper will send it to the email? The paper?
No, it's.
No, the paper upload to the system project. I will show you when I finish this second exam. Example, I will show you where. Now, this questions or this example for for wind turbine, also design wind turbine. Air density 1.225, or you can assume area of play given 1,000 meters square, wind speed 12 meters per second, power coefficient CP 0.45, rotor radius 4.5. So you can from this one calculate the area. Fine. Okay, operating hours per year 8760 hours. Hours for 1 year 8760 hours. Okay, calculate the wind turbine power output. Determine. Here is no efficiency, so PW you can use PW direct. P equal 0.5 rho A cubic V CP. You can calculate P output direct. No efficiency. If I give you efficiency, multiply by the efficiency. Okay? Plate tip speed, formula tip speed W times R. So you can times 2.5 radian per second rotor speed equal 45 meter or 2.5 omega 2.5 times 45. I think here is 45, yes, 45. Or you can calculate it from this one. Calculate the annual energy production, power output times operating hour. Okay, so annual would be this one, and in kilowatt hour, this. Effect of 10% decrease in wind speed on the output power. Here, this last. See? If the wind speed 4 and 5 very or if the wind speed decreased by 10%, analyze the effect on power output using what is the effect on the if the wind speed decreased by 10%. So it was 12, now 10.8 meter per second. So new output power 0.5 rho A V new cubic CP. So the power output decrease. Okay, because the velocity decrease, sure the power will decrease. And but of 5% change in air density on the power output, the density decreased by 5%, so the power will increase. Sure, linear equation. This one. Okay, that's it.
You can upload this.
Yes, sure. And I will add to this one. You are busy today. Can you do it today?
You want tonight?
Yes, tonight you can. Or tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning I will upload this. Okay, and also I will upload maybe next week renewable energy, another renewable energy sources, but it's not required, just review. Okay, so for the project you can go to the
She will upload them. You will see them in this.
see here
Only thing you
go
got tomorrow. That's
this one, go to e-courses. Okay, the class number second one, ELEG 6386. Go to module. Project, I will put project for this week.
It's not open yet.
It's not
Yeah.
open yet? Okay, no problem. But you can see this, the assignment or no?
Yes,
You can see assignment. So I will read this project.
yeah, this one.
Can you see this or no?
This
On
one.
the,
Oh,
No.
grade.
when did you add it?
We can-
I already,
No, no, we can't
No,
see it.
we can't see it, like, I just looked at it.
Yeah, the reason why you know that is because, we didn't give you option to upload the project.
see, because here is, the students cannot see it, I think,
Oh.
some students, or, okay,
You
no
have to go
problem.
to, I was.
Okay, go to, today week is the 12th, okay, I will add here. Project, this one. You can, yeah. Okay, next week, second exam, 4 questions, take care. Bye.
Thank you.
You already sent us the email of the objectives.
Which
Well, the objectives is like, winter run. Oh, that's right.
for
The exam.
exam
It's just like what we went over today, right? That's what we want.
Yeah, from the German exam, that you,
I'm
ask
in,
about,
I'm in.
yeah, you ask about,
I was
topics?
talking, like, yeah, the topic.
The topics after midterm exam, today.
Yes, and then that's what we did.
Okay?
Don't worry,
It's a-
you know,
it's called lecture.
I used to see it on the internet, 10,000.
You said where we talk after class.
Yes, okay? So,
Good?
yeah.
Yeah, good to see you.
My Zoom is, the homework you sent, is that on the exam?
Yes.
Those questions on the exam?
First week.
And the last one, this is the
The last one.
mandatory, you have to do it.
The last one is almost start.
And the other,
Like
What homework, what you bring?
No, January
Yes.
first, no.
Yeah.
First week of next semester, next semester starts
no.
on
Last
17.
That's not others on the new exam. I mean, like from Dr. Abud.
Let's start from the.
From Dr. Abud's notes.
No?
Yes.
Okay.
It's fine.
6 and 7, yes.
Yes, can you start?
I don't know when I will print it, but let me know if you need it.
Okay.
If I print it, you will need it or no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it.
Yeah.
This is what.
Sure,
Well, next week, right?
Oh, you're right. Yeah, you will print it.
Yeah, when are you gonna finish it?
Send me email before.
When I will print it,
Yeah.
maybe next week before the class.
Okay.
Then,
Bring it for me.
Okay, okay.
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 no problem.
I will remember, it's assignment 4 and 5.
Yeah, I already, scheduled the.
I still have, you know, so I bring it in the library. I don't have printer at home, I bring it in the library. If still enough, you know, like account.
Send, send.
I already.
I will do it with them.
If you have it in PDF,
I should be able to.
send it to me.
Okay.
I'll print it from my work.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, but
Take care.
early in the morning.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, otherwise I left early. I leave early to come here. I
Yes.
can't.
We can get PDF in the e-course. E-course you can get PDF.
Is it required
Anyway.
for this time?
Yeah.
I will see which one that we need to print. I will let you know.
And, other one we did last, the last exam.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it required for this exam?
Yes, it's required.
Yeah, you are right.
Yes.
Contribution.
So, if you pass this exam, I will give 0.
If it's over, if it's over.
No, what?
Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah.
We have a panel here, we have a director, we have some.
You remember?
I don't think we
No,
have-
no, no, no.
It's not required.
No, it's not required, no, no. Just the material after the midterm.
Yeah,
It's 875 2467.
I think
What was the midterm, do you remember?
The midterm is not required.
What was the midterm? What was the
The
midterm?
midterm, you see, we did this problem last time, we have a panel, solar panel,
Yeah.
So, Dr. Abud, the exam is gonna be from the midterm until now, right?
Yes.
And final exam is everything?
No, no, just from midterm
Okay.
to that, fine.
After the.
Okay. So, yeah, thank you, Dr. Abud.
Yeah. If you want all the.
No.
Only for you.
No.
After October 10 is gonna be an exam too?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, after the.
So the two homework, 6 and 7 is on the exam?
Right.
Okay. I'll study those two homework.
No, 4, 5, 6, or 7.
Yeah, that's what I believe.
Yeah, 4, 5, and 6, 7. All of them are 5.
Let's go for
Yeah, 4, 5.
Do you know that Afrotech?
What?
Afro